Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used my Norvina palette again. This is like probably one of my favorite birthday presents I've ever gotten, but yeah. So this is what I did today. It's a little graphic, a little creative, I don't know. I was just having fun with it. I think it looks pretty cool. So on my lips I am wearing the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, however you say that. But yeah, and I have the lip liner as well. I wanted to put a gloss over this, but I kind of liked it matte, so I just left it matte. I was really excited the other day because my mom and my sister and myself were all planning this trip to Arkansas to stay at like an Airbnb in the middle of the woods and just away from people and just spend some time together. And I feel like my mom's gonna back out, so I'm getting kind of nervous. If she does that, then it's just gonna be me and my sister and we'll figure it out. I will keep you updated on what we figure out. It's supposed to be the weekend of October 16th, so if we do it, then I'll vlog the whole weekend, and yeah, you can see just how different me and my sister, or my sister and I, actually are. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in today's video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, and just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try and recreate it? I think it looks so cool. I just wish that I had something to do today, somewhere to go, so that, you know, someone could see it in person. But that's life, so whatever. I know this weekend I'm doing a couple's Halloween photo shoot. They're gonna do like the pumpkin head pictures, they're gonna do some ghost face pictures, and I think they're gonna do some ghost, like with the sheet and the sunglasses. I'll probably put stuff on TikTok, so if you aren't following me, go check me out. It's Rock Your Makeup. Just like at the beginning of each video, I put it on there. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. I think it's gonna be fun. I know Friday they're coming over to carve their pumpkins. I have a really big deck, so we're gonna sit out back. I'm gonna get pictures of them carving their pumpkins. We'll probably like barbecue or something. And then Saturday I'll do all their photos. So that's my plans for this weekend. Today is Wednesday, so I have like today and tomorrow to kind of relax before the photography takes over for the weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video here. I'm super tired. I've been up all morning trying to get this done with my daughter running around, so it's been interesting. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.